This is gonna be amazing. So of course, we got a special weapon. It's called scissors. Oh, frick. This is so heavy. Holy crap. So insanely hard. This is gonna break. Something's for sure gonna break. Woo! Okay, got him. Okay. Awesome. But first, gotta do one thing. Cat. Come here, cat. Come here. Look. I got this in these baby. Look, look, look. Yes, yes. Get in, get in. Yes, yes, yes. Get in. Go. Get out. We took it out of the box and we got another box.
Wow.
I think. And let's open this box like this. Because it might just go kaboom. Okay. There's the tape as well. I don't know these. I don't know what you do, but I don't know what to do. Not sure what it is. Okay, now I guess. This video, it's more flexible. It's so loud. Let's see here. One of these. Not how you want it. More of these. Okay. 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 What the hell? Front. Okay. So here's what you do. Here's what you walk in. No. Here's this one. And what is this? The frick? Okay, let's see what's inside. I gotta see now. Okay. Oh, okay, it's open almost. And inside is subscribe. Nothing is inside. And this is the top. These are some kind of protection thingies for the table to not scratch while shipping. I mean, I'll accept that. I thought the table's gonna be plastic. Like the whole thing is gonna be plastic. Ooh, this side is so beautiful. Holy crap. I guess we got our tabletop. Let's place it somewhere here. I'm ready on the couch. And it's bleeding hot. We're back. Place them on the bad side. Up. Yeah, this is the bad side. And this is how you should connect. Okay. Hope you can see it. Okay. So I guess my cat loves it. Get out. This and with this. Now we got like this. Like this. We got. Do I get it? Fit even. This is 10 times better. Okay, there's some light wobbling. What happened? I'm so scared it's gonna break. Okay. Now we gotta flip it. Drop it. So I see this holes. I mean, this looks pretty stable, not gonna lie. It does look kind of good. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, you can totally see the gap, but we'll have to work. We'll just get like a huge mouse pad, I think, and it should be awesome. The buttons are gonna be on this side. I wanted them on this side, but now I can hang my headset on this one. Let's hope it holds. Oh yeah, that looks so good, bruh. Sit under it right now. Yeah, that's perfect. That's so good. If it's on the lowest. Very. And it doesn't say anything. Oh, something happened. Something's happening. Oh, it's not that loud. Oh, it's hopping. Oh. I mean, it's still sturdy. Disable a hat, it would just flip over if I did do this like this. Bro. Okay, let's see how high can it go. I'll let it turn on the mode that. What? Okay. A bit higher maybe. Oh yeah. Oh, probably. Should be enough, yeah. This will probably work well. I mean, can it go higher? I guess this is the highest it's gonna go. I just built my whole setup and this is how it looks. Yeah, the table is pretty good. One thing I noticed when I played, the tabletop got sweaty and my mouse started skipping. But I just placed a small mouse pad for now till I get the better one. And another thing, I don't know if you can see, but there's some spots, like, I don't know, maybe it's my sweat or something, but I can totally see that. I mean, big mouse pad will totally fix that as well. Place everything on. It's raising. It's pretty good. Yeah. Like, perfect size for me. Yeah. And if I want to go down, just press the lowering button a bit lower and it goes straight to my lower position. Very good. In conclusion, I think this is a good table. This table cost me like 230 bucks, I think, or euros.